Today I'm here to tell you about our Würth PocketMaster screw that has solved an age-old problem in the cabinet manufacturing industry. Before the PocketMaster screw, many woodworkers used a fine thread screw for hardwoods and a coarse thread screw for softwoods. This would keep the woods from splitting, cracking, and plain old just not working. But now, thanks to the PocketMaster, you have one screw that can do it all. We like to call the PocketMaster screw a hybrid thread screw. What that means for you is our PocketMaster screw incorporates a coarse thread design with an elongated Type 17 cutting point that practically eliminates splitting, bulging, and cracking in hardwood frames. Imagine having all the benefit of a coarse thread with the delicacy of a fine thread. You will need 60% less driving torque, which means you'll save on battery life. How this is done is the Type 17 cutout was elongated 50% more. Now with all this technology, you will have 40% reduction of splitting, cracking, and bursting. And we all know, less splitting equals more efficient production and less waste. And to top it off, the PocketMaster screw has 30% greater holding power. This screw was designed to hold joints and pull them tighter together. And absolutely no driver bit slippage thanks to the number 2 square drive. Easier to drive and eliminates driver bit cam out. Now this face frame favorite is available as a number 7 in both the 1¼ inch and 1½ inch lengths with a nice lube finish. These screws are available in a variety of sizes and 3 packaging quantities. Of course, we have our huge, we have our medium, and we have our new jar program. Each of these handy jars comes with a 2-inch drive bit inside. Just think about how handy this little reusable jar will be around the shop. And don't worry, it's plastic. No more cardboard boxes to haul around. I'm gonna be holding my Würth jar.